Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy on a string. First, you'll need to gather your materials: 2 cups of water, 4 cups of granulated sugar, a clean glass jar, a pencil, and a cotton string. Next, prepare your string by tying one end to the center of the pencil and attaching a small weight, like a paper clip, to the other end. Make sure the string is short enough so it doesn't touch the bottom or sides of your jar when the pencil rests across the top. Now, let's create the supersaturated sugar solution. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water with 4 cups of granulated sugar. Heat the mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's crucial not to boil the solution, as this can hinder proper crystal formation later on. Once clear, remove the solution from the heat and let it cool for about 15 minutes. Once your sugar solution has cooled slightly, carefully pour it into your clean glass jar. Now, gently lower your prepared string into the solution, making sure the pencil rests across the top of the jar. Ensure the string is suspended in the center and doesn't touch the sides or bottom. Place the jar in a cool, dark, and undisturbed location, like a cupboard, and let the magic happen over several days. Over the next 1 to 2 weeks, you'll observe beautiful sugar crystals forming and growing on your string. The longer you wait, the larger your rock candy will become. Once the crystals reach your desired size, carefully remove the string from the solution and let your rock candy dry completely on a piece of parchment paper. Enjoy your homemade treat. For more great tips and deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.